Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about Schedule L of 1065 tax return. So basically Schedule L is all about balance sheet for books. So today we are going to discuss how to report a balance sheet in Schedule L. Please go through this schedule. There is beginning of tax year and end of tax year. So the asset, and since there is beginning and ending of tax year, and tax assets and liabilities and capital information are there, so the main purpose of Schedule L is to provide the IRS with the details of all assets, liabilities and equity of the shareholders as on the beginning date and the end date of the tax year. So we have a Excel in our hand. It's an example, and this Excel of balance sheet information will report the same balance sheet information in Schedule L of 1065 in our software Drake. So have a look in Drake. So this is Drake software. Schedule L, will click and here you can see Schedule L balance sheet. So this is how it looks in Drake. So this is the asset part and this is the liability and capital part. This is the beginning of the year, this is the end of the year. So now we have to print okay. Cash is for $20,000. Accounts receivable is $10,000. And other current assets, see, you have to select the line from here, from the line number from the drop down list. Other current assets, you can provide the description like inventory or something like end of the year the balance is $5,000. Now Control V. Let's have a look how it looks. See, it is showing $20,000 for cash, $10,000 for accounts receivable, $5,000 for other current assets. You have also a statement. We haven't done yet, so we need to fill up other asset information. Here you can see if you want to add any extra, then you have to page down extra items, like select the line number from drop down list, like we have building and other depreciable assets. So we are building here, building, end of the year the amount is $25,000. Again we have accumulated depreciation. We need to select here accumulated depreciation, the same $5,000. Okay, we can see everything here. whatever we have done previously. Copy, paste. Now another item of assets, other assets. This is a very simple thing, guys. The total asset portion will flow. Total asset comes to 1 lakh or $100,000. You can see cash 20,000, accounts receivable 10,000, other current assets 5,000, building and accumulated depreciation comes to 20,000, and other assets come to 45,000. The total asset is $100,000. Now coming to liability and capital portion. So here it comes. Accounts payable, we have $30,000. Then the other current liability, other current liability is $20,000. Now page down. Loan from partners. Loan from partners or partners loan. Sorry. Loan from partners. So $30,000. Now let's have a look. Page 5 was Schedule L. See, that $100,000, 100,000, total is matching. That means the rest of the remaining balance. So guys, I just need to clarify one thing here, that I reported accounts payable $30,000, other current liability $20,000, and loan from partners $30,000. But the partners capital account, what you are getting $20,000, that I didn't report. It will automatically report. I mean, the total asset balance minus these three comes to 80,000. So $100,000 minus $80,000 comes to $20,000, and it goes to partners capital account. So in this way, partners capital and all the total capital and liability is matching with the total asset amounts. So guys, just quickly recap. Here is the purpose of Schedule L of 1065 tax return is to provide the IRS with the details of all assets, liabilities, equities of shareholders as on the beginning and the end date of the tax year. And this I am quickly showing you how I have done this. When you have to report new items, then you just have to say you can see this press page down to enter additional lines. So do that and you can add the new lines. I have reported everything from this Excel, but I have for the current year, current assets, cash, bills receivable, other current assets, fixed assets, building, accumulated depreciation, other assets. So total assets comes to $100,000 or $1 lakh. Now coming to current liability, accounts payable, other current liabilities, loans from partners capital. Total liability comes to total liability and capital. $100,000. The same I have reported here in REC. you can see page 5 schedule L. So I hope you have understood how to report balance sheet in 1065 tax return. So goodbye.